What's the meaning of colliery? Colliery. Colliery.
Colliery. Colliery. A colliery refers to a coal mine and its associated buildings and equipment, which are used for the extraction of coal from the earth. Collieries typically include a main shaft, buildings for workers, storage facilities, and support structures such as railways or roadways for transporting extracted coal to processing plants or distribution centers. These mines are often located in regions with large deposits of coal, and have historically played a significant role in the industrialization of many countries worldwide. Today, collieries can be found in many parts of the world, though they may no longer be as prevalent as in previous centuries.